I would like to introduce you to one of my listings that you or an acquaintance may have an interest in. Please contact me if you have any questions at all. Just reduced. This is a unique oceanfront complex in Garden City Beach, with covered oceanfront gazebo, private oceanfront pool, grilling patio, and elevator. Unit 111 features a spacious screen porch, located on the north end side of the building. End unit means more windows and light. Tastefully furnished in beach decor, ceramic tile and laminate.